Welcome to the Heabron CoopScore platform, a digital system designed to organize farmer cooperatives and enable data-driven agricultural financing. Users can sign into the platform either as a field agent or as an administrator. Here we begin by signing in as a field agent. From the dashboard, the field agent can view existing cooperatives or add a new cooperative. To onboard a cooperative, the agent fills in several structured sections. First, the basic cooperative information, including the cooperative name, state, and local government area. Next, the production data, which captures information about the cooperative's farming activities and output. Then the land and agronomic data, describing the farmland and cultivation details. After that, the system records the GPS coordinates and farm location. Additional sections capture demographic data, such as male and female participation, and a market analysis of the cooperative's produce. Once all sections are completed, the cooperative is successfully registered. The newly onboarded cooperative now appears on the cooperative dashboard. Next, the field agent navigates to the farmers section. Here, the agent registers farmers within the cooperative. The registration form collects key information including the farmer's identity details, their farm data, and a field assessment describing the farmer's previous farming experience and agricultural practices. Once completed, the farmer's information is saved and added to the cooperative. The platform now displays the list of registered farmers within that cooperative. From the farmer profile, the field agent can create a financing request. The agent selects the cooperative, chooses the farmer's name, specifies the request type, and enters the requested amount. The request is then submitted into the system for review. During harvest, the field agent records the produce delivery log. This includes the farmer's name, crop type, quantity delivered, quality grade, pricing details, delivery date, receipt number, and the total value of the produce. Once payment is made for the produce, the agent records the payment details, entering the farmer's name and the amount paid. Now we switch to the administrator interface. From the admin dashboard, administrators get a complete overview of the platform. The cooperative dashboard displays all cooperatives in structured cards with key metrics and operational details. Selecting a cooperative reveals detailed information including total farmers, crop types, average yield, farm location, total loan amount, and historical production data. Administrators can also view all registered farmers across cooperatives. Clicking on a farmer opens the farmer's detailed profile. The platform also includes a credit score simulator, where administrators can calculate a farmer's credit score using production records and repayment history. Administrators can review all produce delivery records and payment transactions submitted by field agents. By digitizing farmer identities, cooperative structures, production records, and financing activities, Heabron CoopScore provides the trusted data infrastructure needed to unlock financing for smallholder farmers.